Hello everyone, this is an unboxing video of a new microphone I have ordered in Flipkart. In our previous videos, I was using the inbuilt sound system given with the laptop, and some of our viewers says that the sound needs to be improved. So I have ordered this microphone. It costs around 880 rupees, and let's see what the features. Well, it gives clip-on mic for smartphone, DSLR, camcorder, audio recorder, PC, etc. Omnidirectional condenser microphone. High quality condenser is ideal for video use. Low heading noise and includes label chip, LR44 battery, foam windscreen and 1/4 inch adapter. So let's unbox. Just it has been delivered through Flipkart. The review says this one is good for video recording. Let's see what is given. Well, nice case. This one is the bag given with the microphone. What's are these? This one is the adapter. Yes, this one is the adapter. Oh, the wire is so long. It says it's around 1.5 meter long wire. Yes, the wire is pretty long. And what is this? Pin clip to attach this microphone in your shirt or t-shirt. And this is the, what is said, sponge windscreen or something it was said, foam windscreen. Yes, this needs to be attached over here. And this one can hold this microphone. Like this. Fine. Now you can attach this microphone in your shirt and speak. A little battery is given. Well, the battery now we can put the battery in here. Fine. Now you can close this. It's inbuilt, given with a 3.5 mm jack, so you can use it in your mobile phone, in your laptop, or it can be where this is used, I don't know yet. Well, so this is pretty cool. Our mic is ready. So hope in our next video you will experience a little improved audio quality. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in next video. Thank you.